Who needs one of these? It is accurate enough that it'll pick up an entire shop full of mechanics running through the driveway, but it will not clock a harvesting combine. Folks, welcome back to the channel. Me and Diesel Dog on this Sunday, we're out enjoying the weather. For those of you that are from alternate parts of the globe, it's almost 60 today and there's snow on the ground. We had a couple inches in the last 2 days and it's April. Go figure. Great. So we've been kind of lackluster here at the channel in the last week. Mid-America Truck Show was in Louisville last weekend, and this is Diesel and another friend of ours made the trip down there. If you get a chance, it's definitely worth the trip. Took some footage of the indoor pole. It was my first time down there. Quite a sight to behold. 250 foot or so of track and out the door. And I wondered how that was going to go with super semis. Of course, they save them for last for when the track is all tore to shit, but it's still pretty dicey. At least, I don't know, we were in row like 5, and part of it comes, I think, from my line of work. It's a real scared Pikachu moment when you're like, when you're that close to them, and especially when they're that cold. Everything's angry. So I got you some footage. We're going to show you the super semis. Oh look, it's my favorite kind of cow. Wanted to give a shout out to the guy I met down there in the aisle at Louisville. Sorry sir, I didn't catch your name, but you know who you are if you're watching this. Pulled me aside and we were standing there in the aisle and he says, "You from Wisconsin?" Well, yeah, I'm from Wisconsin. "And you got the YouTube channel?" "Yeah, I actually do." So he said he was a viewer, and I thought that was really neat. It really meant a lot to me because it means that at least somebody's watching this and not wasting my time and talking to myself or the GoPro. they're young. The rack's probably bent just a wee bit, it's fine. So it hangs at WFO.
Yeah, they put the